Hey, Elijah! What's up? Scootasark?
What's wrong?
Elijah doesn't feel right today.
Oh, what's wrong, Elijah? Nothing? Well, I have something for you that'll cheer you up.
Right in the crotch!
Elijah, what did you?
Stay down.
Oh!
That's right. I killed Scootasark.
You son of a... She taught me to avoid your attacks! I no wish to harm you, but now you have forced my hand!
I will deliver you to Scootasark and the demons. I will defeat them too.
You have no one left to betray.
Not betrayal, just doing my job.
Killing demons is your job?
Just need enough energy to beat you.
You forced my hand, Elijah.
My work here is done. Time to go home.